Hi, Frederick County WX here. Today, what is the current date? I'm actually not sure. But I do know it's 2025 and it's May. May 5th? Yeah, May 5th. Okay, today we will be unboxing and setting up the RadioShack PRO-405. And now I'm going to unbox the thing here. Geez, this is going to take a while to open up. There we go. This thing here has some really stuff. Alright, now we're going to take the packing papers out of this. And now, in 3, 2, 1. This is the radio inside the packaging. How do we get it out of this box? Here. After I go ahead and put everything back in here. See the adapter. Placing something separate. Yeah, I don't think so. I'm just gonna move that over there for now. I can get this stuff out of here. Here's the radio. Scanner, actually. Much smaller than I actually thought it would be. I thought this would be like a teeny little bit bigger. And just put that there. Nah, that's probably left some sticky residue. And here it is itself. Now, we're gonna rush this radio scanner good luck and service by pressing all the buttons and flicking all the switches and turning all the dials. I got 3 things inside this. I discovered this is that's what it is. Okay. This needs to be opened up. Okay. This is the antenna, which is a screw-on antenna. So I'll just take this thing here. So place it inside and screw it on. Alright, now it is fully tightened. And we can raise it up and put it down. But I'm gonna leave it put down for now. It really sucks that it doesn't have the ability to move in all directions, but it is what it is. Alright. Now, this thing here doesn't have batteries, right? Yeah, it can't take them. Okay. Well, since it can't, I'm just gonna put the thing in here. In here, take this rubber band off. And this twisty tie. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave the twisty tie on, actually. Okay, now should I am thinking. I could put it here. Alright, yeah, I could definitely put that there. That is precisely why I moved that out of the way, just so I could put this thing here. I'm talking about the scanner's location on the rack. And, just no wires sailing. Let's see where I can plug this in. I got it plugged in now. Not perfectly censored, but I don't really care about that. We're just gonna put this thing here. Alright. Now, I'm gonna bring the camera closer to the thing. And by lowering this. Welcome. Scanning. There we go. Wetter scanning. I don't think the thing can receive anything there. I'm gonna turn off the squelch.
Pressure was 29.97 inches in rising. At Martinsburg, partly sunny skies.
There we go.
67. Wind speed. Norfolk.
And then that is Skywarn. Alright. Now that's the word standby, and now we're gonna do our side test.
At Paul Tuckson River Naval Airspace.
Wrong button. Actually, is it? Answer? Alright, there's your ding. Anyway, take that off and standby.
The wind was E6 or not.
Now let's see if this can pick up anything. So it's gonna go through its fire department, police department banks, and it's gonna see if it can scan anything in any of the banks. It probably won't pick anything up considering how it's on the rack. And this rack here setup is designed specifically only for weather radio usage. Not really for FM and all that stuff here, so it probably won't be able to pick anything up, but it is what it is. Ham? Can you pick up ham radio? It can. Okay, whatever that is. You just turn up the scope. There we go. There you go. Let it scan a bit more. Then turn this up. Now you gotta have the squelch up, or otherwise it won't properly scan the channels. The reason why you gotta have the squelch up is so that it can properly scan. Otherwise, it will just play the static. The squelch controls how much the scanner will look in the signal for static, and if you have the squelch,
I don't know where that leaves
there's
us,
ham.
whether he's putting a new 2-meter repeater up or what, but he's got the thing flipped if he does. The repeater output's on our input. Yeah, I think he's definitely operating on 146.130 with RPL. It must be even RPL tone, because otherwise he wouldn't be keying our repeater, and he does seem to be coming through our repeater. I see KA4DCF as a Marvin B. Crenshaw Jr., Aldi, Virginia. And but he's got a P.O. box, not a street address, and does look like he's a fairly new ham. I don't know, hard to tell. It could have been a renewal license. Anyway, yeah, it's kind of nuts what's going on. M3RO.
I think it's definitely coming in our input, and if that's the case, then I'll get it has to be coming in.
Alright, so now you know it's working properly. Alright, now let's see if it can scan anything in the air bands. These are the aircraft bands. Why the heck is it scanning down? Let me switch you to up. There we go. It probably won't find anything. We're not near an airport. Although the Rich Municipal Airport could probably be picked up, but I don't know. Anyway, this is here's just regular FM.
Maryland's premier electrical contractors joining forces with the region's most highly trained and skilled electrical workforce.
And the squelch. Right.
5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tuesday, partly.
One more. Yeah, so that's good. Everything works properly on this thing here. Anyway, yeah. This has been an unboxing and setup of the RadioShack PRO-405. Frederick County WX, signing out. And I'll see you at the next alert, compilation, or unboxing and setup. See ya.